Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Singh Chahal. So this is my cousin's Hilux which we use as a daily, and the vehicle has now done close to 50,000 plus. The vehicle, it's around almost 2 years old. It's been extensively used. So this is sort of like a comparison or like a owner's review, I would say, where we'll show you what a 50,000 done vehicle with an upgraded suspension and tires, and how does it look and how do the tires look, because most of the mods were done on the vehicle right there on day one, I would say, when it was brand new. So it was never used as a stock vehicle much, because we had most of the stuff already planned out. So uh, I really love the stance on this one. Uh, we've got a We've got the Ironman Deluxe bullbar. We'll start with the front with stuff that is very visible. So this is the Ironman Deluxe bullbar for the NAT Hilux. I think this is the best fitting bullbar, I would say. Very neat lines, and it is a no trim fit. So what we call a no trim fit is that this section below the headlamps, we don't need to trim the original bumper. The complete original bumper comes off, and the shape of the actual headlamp comes as two additional strips which are very well designed, and they go on to the bumper. So what we actually do is we just remove the stock bumper, and this one goes on completely. Just the lower part of the stock grill has to come off, so that's trimmed into half. But that too because we needed to fit a winch. Otherwise I think this bumper can actually go on directly. It comes with LED DRLs, LED turn signals, adapters for the stock parking sensors, and a set of Ironman LED fog lamps. It comes with the fog lamps and a wiring for the fog lamps in itself. So that being it, it is also SRS airbag compatible. I think this is probably my favorite full-sized bull bar. Uh, Double antenna mounts, you can mount all sorts of stuff on that, and mounting space for extra lights. So we've got a pair of steady, I think 8.5 inches lying with us, but we never had the opportunity to install them. So those are going to go on to the truck. But otherwise we've not really changed much in this for the longest time. It has a 13,500 pound synthetic rope winch. The fair lead we changed, and that's about it for the front. Also the underbody, this had an Ironman underbody which we've pulled off for some reverse engineering, because I am in the process of developing an underbody for the Hilux, and the Ironman 4mm thick steel variant is my favorite. So we are trying to learn something from that and probably do our own version of the same, which hopefully um, I'll try to put out in the market for other Hilux owners very soon. So other than that, other cosmetic changes, the president antenna is there. That's about it. We've got the radio on the inside, factory flares. Uh, Coming to the side, the running gear on this one is really good. So we've got Ironman front recovery points, and if you can bring the camera to the side, I'll quickly show you. This one is running a Foamcell Pro. So this has got the Foamcell Pro suspension with a C coil in the front. So Foamcell Pro, pretty dialed out. We've kept the preload very low. For the stance with the C spring, we've gone in for a spacer on the top, and it's really dialed in and runs beautifully. 9J0 Lenso wheels, thanks to Saurabh. They've seen a lot of abuse. 285 60 18 BFGs. If anyone is wondering what a set of KO2s looks like after 50,000 kilometers of usage, that's it right there in front of you. So the set was installed when the vehicle was brand new. I think it's done 53,000 right now. So even from the wheels you can see they've been through quite a lot of off-roading, and they're running pretty well. We are planning to downsize to 17 and go for 285s next. So the side steps are stock. We probably are going to do PCW steps on this one pretty soon. Also, this has the ProForge upper control arms. We've got a JTI trifold again. The trifold is 2 years old. It has never failed, runs very well. And we've got the tailgate lock from Revheads. That also, there's been no issues. It's been working the way it should be. This vehicle is extensively used for towing and loading purposes. That's why the trifold. As I always tell you, shutters and other fitments, when you want to use the vertical loading space, they don't really do justice. So you need something where you can empty out the entire bed and use all of it. So again, in the rear, very purposeful and very sturdy, we've got the Ironman rear tow bar. So this is the Ironman rear tow bar with the tongue receiver and the 2-inch universal hook, and and an 8-ton rated ball. That's almost about it. Also, this one has a quantum red ECU TCU tune. No issues at all. The DPF and all has been deleted. So in this one, what we've done is the addblue has been addblue delete has been done. The DPF has been deleted, and we've also emptied it out. So it's not running a downpipe, but the stock set, but emptied out. So that is there. Apart from that, on the inside, I would like to show you something very interesting. We've got the radio installation done. So we actually put a lot of effort in installing the radio in this one. So if you can come this side, this is the radio. This is the mic. Sorry. So we've installed it here. It goes into this panel, and if you can come this side, you'll see we fitted the radio inside. So the radio is inside, and the cable for the mic goes in, and everything is concealed. So what happens, since this box mostly stays empty, the voice sort of echoes inside and it amplifies the sound of the speaker. So we've had zero troubles using it, and just basic mats and all upgrades. The rear seat has a recliner kit, and that's about it. So this vehicle is used every day, but Toyotas, as we know, they generally don't die out that quick. So it still looks very new, very fresh. It's never disappointed. So we are going to do like a revamping of this one very soon, because that seems to be due. Side steps, new tires. We are going for Maxxis 285 70/17 on a set of Black Rhino wheels I'd picked around 6 months back. So it'll lift the height a little. I'll attach a picture as well, which we where we've installed the 285s on this for a test run. So it looks beautiful, and a brake upgrade is due since the pads are almost gone. And other than that, I think apart from this and the lights and maybe lifting the front a little more, everything is in order, and this vehicle is used every day. It's been a fit and forget installation on this one. We've never had any sort of trouble. If there's any questions or any queries, please do let me know. Thank you.